Hello everyone on YouTube, Tropical Update. On Tropical Storm Gabrielle is still tracking west-northwest in the Atlantic, and it is forecasted to remain out in open waters. So far no threat to land. Let's get with the National Hurricane Center forecast and information, also courtesy Zoom Earth and Tropical Tidbits. Gabrielle is forecast to become a hurricane by Sunday and pass east of Bermuda Sunday night and Monday. Interests on Bermuda should monitor Gabrielle's forecast since it is too soon to specify the magnitude of potential wind and rainfall impacts. Swells generated by Gabrielle are expected to reach Bermuda tonight and build through the weekend. These swells are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. Gabrielle's low-level center remains mostly exposed now between a large area of deep convection in the eastern semicircle and growing cells in the southwestern quadrant. There has been little change in the satellite estimates, and since scatterometer missed the radius of maximum winds this morning, the 19th of September, the initial intensity will remain 50 miles per hour, 45 knots. The storm is moving northwestward, or 305 degrees at 10 miles per hour, 10 knots, with the subtropical ridge located to its north. A general pattern of troughing is expected to persist near the southeastern U.S. coast and far western Atlantic for the next several days, which is expected cause Gabrielle to recurve around the western periphery of the ridge over the next 4 days. While the track guidance remains relatively tight during this period, the along-track spread speed differences are quite large in the medium range.